Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a hot minute since I've last uploaded to YouTube, but I am back and hopefully more continuous uploads. Today we're going to be doing a Colourpop Instagram inspired look. I was scrolling through the gram and I stumbled upon a look which I will tag below somewhere in this video. And I decided to recreate it using like wine type of fall colors, and this is what I came up with. I do apologize for my hair because this is not a hair tutorial video. This is a makeup tutorial video, and I'm pretty sure that if I actually did my hair, the look would turn out so much better, but I definitely wanted to recreate this. It is late at night. I just wanted to be with you guys today because I know that tomorrow, or actually today when this video goes up, my tutorial Tuesday on my Instagram will go home. So instead of going live on Instagram, I decided to bring this video to you guys today to enjoy. Do I have any lipstick on my teeth? Nope. Cool. Gucci.
So I'm going to start with my face, and I've already used my moisturizer and my hydrating primer, and I put that all over my face. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, and I'm just going to use a little bit all over my face just so I have a nice clean canvas. Once that is all blended out, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm just dabbing it under the eyes, and I'm also going to be putting it on my eyelids to use as a base. And we're just going to blend that out, making sure that there are no creases and that everything is blended out evenly. Setting our eyes and face. Taking the Royal Jewels color from the Colourpop Kathleen Lights collection, I'm just going to create a winged shape, and then I'm also going to drag that underneath my lash line as well. I'm going in with Ametrine, and I'm going to take a smaller brush and create the same shape but in the middle of the first shade that we drew in. Now taking the color Garnet, I'm taking an even smaller brush. I'm going to spray that, and I'm going to draw right in the middle of Ametrine, and I'm going to start to create a line as well. We're going to continue making this cat eye shape smaller and smaller as we go deeper in the colors, making sure that we blend out any edges so that it doesn't look too harsh. So this is what the eyeshadow should be looking like by now, and we're going to take the shade Ruby and we're going to use that as our shimmery eyeliner to do pretty much the same process all over again, but adding it in the middle of the shadow that we just drew in. And also we are going to do a winged liner connecting the liner to the shadow that we've created. I don't know, you'll figure it out. It's better to do it as I do it rather than me trying to explain it. A quick little copy and paste. And I did forget to show it, but I'm going to be using the shade Precious to highlight my brow bone. And then afterwards, I'm just going to blend out the edges just so that it looks a little bit softer and it isn't too harsh. Now taking an oldie but a goodie, I'm taking the Wet n Wild contouring palette just to warm up my face a little bit. Make this face a little bit more snatched, a little bit on the nose, the left, and now the right, and what the heck, under the nose, and a little bit on you. Taking some of the Milani blush and just putting it on the apples of my cheeks, making sure that I look nice and rosy, trying to make us look pretty, a little bit more for you. And last but not least, we're going to take the highlighter, which I'm running out. It broke, it's just devastating, and we're just going to highlight our face to the heavens making sure that we always stay glowing even though fall and winter is near. Quickly gonna do my brows off camera. Bing, bam, boom. Gonna use the Lancome Big Monsieur mascara. I love this mascara because it really adds a difference between your lashes and the lashes with the mascara. It gives you a lot of volume. And I messed up, but nothing a Q-tip can't fix. Just let it dry and then rub it off like it's nothing. Perfect. Now I'm gonna be using this burgundy, deep dark burgundy shade and put on this liquid lipstick, and then just setting our face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I absolutely love this mist to lock it all in place.
I hope you enjoy this look. It's super simple. It's definitely a look that you have to be bold. You have to just take it and grab it and go with it. Definitely trust the process, because as I was doing this look, I was like, ooh, is this really gonna look okay? But I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media at the one and only Jody with a whole bunch of underscores in it. I'll put it somewhere here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support and the love. My next tutorial Tuesday will be the following Tuesday, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!